baking soda, chlorine tabs, pool cover every night, filter, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. That's how you maintain your pool. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Peace of Nature. My name is Easy Glaze, and this is a 1-year review on the Funsicle pool. Now, it's time to open this tarp up, see what the water's looking like, see if I gotta level it out. But I mean, it looks like it's pretty much in the same shape from when I first built it. And I took a glimpse underneath. I think the water's pretty clear, so I think I did a good job throughout the year securing this tarp and stuff. I had this wire going around the pool to hold the tarp down. I have the tarp, as you see, and then I also got the pool cover underneath. Let's look underneath and see what it's looking like. Okay, I slipped the tarp off. The cover came off a little bit, but check out this water. Check out that water. No murkiness. It doesn't look green. I just see maybe, you know, some debris at the bottom, but I got the pool vac that I'll put in there. But check that out, guys. I'm going to take that cover fully off so we can get a better view. Wow. Just take a look at the pool. That's 1 full year. Well, I guess not a full year. We closed it up back in maybe September, October, whatever it is. So, but you know what I'm saying. During the off season, the winter, spring, look how clear this water looks. Not much I need to do. I'm gonna fill it back up. Well, I'm gonna check the level out first. Fill it back up with water. Do the vacuum on the bottom. And we're good to go, baby. Simple as that. Funsicle. Okay, filters are installed. We're filling up the pool, baby. So what we did, we left the chlorine puck tab in that container right there throughout the winter and the spring, and that's what kept it nice and clear. Between that, the tarp, and the pool cover. It'll take us a few days to fill up. We're on a well, so I run it maybe about an hour to 2 hours a day. I'll keep you posted. I'll show you when it's all filled up. The level is also pretty much the same like last year as well. I put a level, you know, on this side, on that side, and it's pretty much all leveled all around. But what I do is I count the diamonds. I don't know if you can see the diamond patterns, right? So on this side here, I was at, what was I at, 15? Or vice versa, I forgot. But anyway, on one side I was on 15, the other side I was at 16. So we're only 1 diamond apart. Not bad, same thing as last year. And that's a wrap. After 5 days of filling it up, it's filled, baby, with well water. So to recap, I had it halfway filled during the off season. I had my regular tarp, or pool cover, and then a tarp on top during this winter spring season. Look how clear this water is. Crystal clear, baby. Now I'll go around so you guys can see. This leg here, slightly not bent, but going that way. But that's how it's been since I built the pool. Okay, let me come back around this way. It is a little bit unleveled. We got a high side and a low side. So back there's the high side, this is the low side. What I do is I count the diamonds on the wall. They're 1 diamond apart from this side to that side, but it's okay. I got young ones, so a low side is pretty convenient for me. Now I know somebody mentioned something in the comments from my pool video saying because of the sand that I'm gonna have to redo it, yada yada. Well, this is the 2nd season, and again, I left it up during the winter and spring, and it looks exactly the same as last summer when I built it. Is it perfect? No. Is it working great? Yes. I also found this pool ladder on Facebook Marketplace for free. Had the base up there. We're ready to rock and roll this summer. As far as pool maintenance, all we do is chlorine tabs, the pucks, and we put it in that circle thing right there. Baking soda, and we test the pH with a testing kit. As far as the filter over there, that's the regular filter that came with the pool. We got a pool, you know, the filter in there, the pool sock, and it's working well. Look how clear this water is. I know a lot of people do all these different chemicals and stuff like that, and simply just using baking soda, the chlorine tab, the filter is on 12 hours a day, so 12 on, 12 off. And I think one of the key tricks was the pool cover over there. We put it on every single night. It might sound tedious, but again, look how clear this water is. It's crystal clear, baby. So, baking soda, chlorine tabs, pool cover every night, filter, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. That's how you maintain your pool.